Hey everyone, welcome back to Auto Minute. Today I'll show you how to easily install a dashcam on a Toyota bZ4X. Let's go. The first thing we want to do is tilt the mirror down for better access to the plastic shroud above. To remove this panel, we'll first need to remove this little piece here. Simply stick your fingers in the space right here and pull straight down. Here's a close-up of the connection points. The larger panel simply slides off by pushing down and away from you. Once this panel is off, we have full access to the connector ports. The specific connector we need to tap into is the one seen here. It's a 10-pin connector port that uses the following Dongar Technologies adapter. I'll throw a link to that in the description below. I'll go ahead and disconnect this cable by pressing in on the tab and pulling straight out. Now let's go ahead and connect the Dongar adapter to the vehicle. Before reassembling, let's go ahead and make sure that our unit is receiving power. You should see a blue LED light up within the USB module when the vehicle is turned on. I'm also going to plug in my dash cam to make sure that's receiving power as well. Now that we've confirmed power, let's go ahead and tidy up these cables. My plan is to run the cable up and around the top part of the shroud with the USB module stuck to the side. All I have left to do now is reattach my Garmin dashcam and install it in a nice clean spot on the windshield. Dongar Technologies has made the process of installing a dashcam clean and simple. So if you've been on the fence about getting a dashcam, check these guys out today. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button or subscribing for more automotive content like this. Cheers and drive safe, y'all. Peace.